Think of a student attendance register or a spreadsheet where rows list student and columns show their marks. Welcome. In this video, we learn about HTML tables. HTML tables work the same way. They help us organize data in rows and columns on a web page. We use the table tag to start a table, and inside it we define rows using tr, headers using th, and the regular data cell using td. Let's look at a basic example of an HTML table showing student marks. In this example, tr creates a row, th defines header cell, td is for regular data. It's clean, readable, and perfect for structured information. Tables are great for displaying structured data like schedule, price list, or reports. They make it easier for users to scan and understand information quickly. So, whenever you want to create and organize data, think of using an HTML tables.